What is citation? Okay, so a citation is a reference to a source of information, data, or ideas in a scholarly or academic work. So, when you are writing a paper or essay or research project or any other types of document, it is very important to give credit to the source that you use to support your arguments, okay, or to provide the evidence or to build upon existing knowledge. Okay, all right. So, citations serve several purposes, such as, okay, number one is citation give credit to the original authors or creators of the informations that you are using. Okay, so this is important to acknowledge the intellectual property of others and avoid any plagiarism. Okay, so next is the readers can use citation to locate and verify the sources that you use in your work. So this is actually allows them to check the accuracy of your information and explore the topic further. Okay, and lastly, example, citation provide context by placing your work within the larger framework of existing research and knowledge. Example, so they show the lineage of ideas and demonstrate how your work contributes to or builds upon the works of others. Okay, all right. So there are various citation styles, okay, such as APA, American Psychological Association, MLA, Modern Language Association, or Chicago, and AMA, and others. So each with its own sets of rules and guidelines for citing different types of sources, such as books, articles, website, etc. Okay, so the specific styles that you use often depends on the academic disciplines or the preferences of the publication that you are submitting your work to. Okay, so now let's look to the first one. Example is APA. Okay, so this APA citation is a style of documentation widely used in the social sciences, including psychology, sociology, education, and business. Okay, so the APA style provide guidelines for formatting and citing sources in academic writing to ensure the clarity and the consistency. So it is very systematic way to give credit to the sources and maintain the consistency in academic writing. Okay, so the next one is MLA. So this style or citation is a style commonly used in humanities, including example literature, language, and the arts. So MLA provide guidelines for formatting and citing sources in academic writing. So it also helps the readers to locate and verify the sources that you have used in your paper, all right, to make sure that you have a proper credit and accountability. Okay, so the next one is the Chicago citation. Actually refers to the citation style established by the Chicago Manual of Style, which is widely used in the fields of history, literature, and some other disciplines in the humanities. So there are two main variations of the Chicago styles. Actually, we have the notes and bibliography system, commonly used in arts and humanities, and another one is author date system that commonly used in a social science. Okay, and the next one we have AMA, which is stand for American Medical Association. Citation is a style guide developed by the American Medical Association for writing in the field of medicine and the biological sciences. Okay, so the AMA style provide guidelines for citing sources in medical research papers, articles, and other publications. So normally AMA style use superscript numbers for in-text citations. So the reference list is typically numbered in the order in which the sources are cite. Okay, so like other citation style, okay, AMA citation is designed to provide clarity and consistency in the attribution of sources in medical and scientific writing. Okay, so you can refer to this slide for example of citation style for every format: APA, Chicago, MLA, and also AMA. Okay, so we go to the next slide. Okay, so this slide serves as a reference to provide you with detailed information about the APA citation style. Okay, so we move to the next one. So this slide demonstrates the process of citing a published book in APA format as a reference. And meanwhile, this slide illustrates the procedure for citing a social media sources as a reference with APA guidelines. All right, and this is another example of APA citation for social media.